The tugboat, for its size, is the most powerful craft afloat. And the Star Tugs are the power behind the docks and waterways that make up the big city port. This is Tugs. Us Tugs. Us.
Oh my PC!
Sometimes a really bad character sailed into big city port. But on the day I'm remembering, no one suspected trouble. We were worried about the high winds coming. Tug work would be difficult.
Hey, 10 cents. A great dawn, eh?
Yeah, don't be fooled by appearances, Sunshine. You know what Captain Star says? Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning.
Oh, it's bad weather coming then?
Yeah, strong winds on the way. They'll be here soon.
Get a move on, you two. The storm flags are out.
Aye, we know, Joe. We're just saying,
Well, then get on with it. Hercules is already out answering a mayday. When you deliver that oil, bring in Scuttlebutt Pete. He's dredging in the bay.
Aye, aye, sir. Yeah, we're off now.
There'll be some extra jobs to batten down before the storm hits the harbour.
Come on, Sunshine. No time for daydreaming. No, hold it. Good morning, Zebedee.
What's good about it? High winds underway.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of work to do today.
Oh, hey, what's going on? He's cut right across us.
Yeah, you would. Just when we're in a hurry. Come on. Oi, come on.
Hey, look how many he's towing.
Yeah, 4. He likes to show he's as strong as any Z-Stacks tug. Oh, look. Look, he's losing one.
Hey, you think we better tell him? Yeah, he hasn't seen it.
Yeah, I suppose we should. Oi, Zebedee!
I'm first. It's my right of way. You'll have to wait.
Yeah, you've lost one of your barges. It's going adrift.
You having me on? Oh,
Yeah, don't worry, I'll hold it till you secure it.
don't interfere. I can manage.
Oh, suit yourself. Just offering to be helpful, that's all.
We don't need anything Star Tugs has to offer.
Do it your own way, then.
Wait. Hold it for me, will you? Thanks.
Johnny Cuba had dropped anchor, waiting till he wasn't seen.
Nobody in sight. That's what I like. Trying to slip in closer to port and make my business pals.
Johnny Cuba's idea of a business pal was, like himself, a gangster.
Ahoy there! Post to! Customs inspection! You are within port limits! I'm coming aboard! Hey! Watch out! What you doing?
Sorry, mate. The wind must have blown me off course.
Zebedee was out, as he'd been told, looking for ships or steamers, even fishing boats that might need a tow. Anything that might please Captain Zero.
Johnny Cuba. Oh, dear. Well. Captain Zero's little zip.
Criminal, criminal,
Just below the floor, baby boy, killing me now.
A harbour, so I'm not breaking the law, eh? I'll see you all right.
I'd love to, sir. Honest I would. But
No ifs, no buts, Zebedee. I need a tow right now. The wind's making me angry, upsetting me plans.
Sorry, sir. But you see, Captain Zero's giving me other orders.
Listen to me, kid. Zero owes me, understand? So don't get funny or you'll be in deep trouble. And I do mean deep.
The gangster told Zebedee to tow him to the old docks that hadn't been used for years, where he'd arranged to meet his criminal friends.
I don't like it here, and it's out of bounds to shipping.
Too bad. Now I need coal right away, and be quick about it or I'll break your stack.
You mean stealers?
Did I say steal? Just get it when nobody's looking.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
And don't try anything fancy, or you'll find yourself at the bottom of the harbour with cement in your hole.
Zebedee was now in a terrible situation. Johnny Cuba would sink him if he didn't help him. And because of something that happened years ago between those two, he knew Captain Zero would sink him if he did. So he couldn't go and tell the captain, could he? While Zebedee was trying to work this out, he saw the two star switchers out in the bay struggling with Scuttlebutt Pete.
Come on, you two, get sorted out, or you won't get me home before the storm breaks.
Can I call you, man?
Oh, we're doing our best.
Do better than that, you've got to.
God, the wind's too strong.
What am I gonna do?
If only I could fix one more line. Oi, Zebedee, give us a hand.
Sorry, can't stop him. Party jobs do.
Now just hold him steady while I get another line aboard, that's all.
Why should I?
Well, because we're in trouble, that's why.
And you arsehole, little barge!
Right, just this once, but don't tell Captain Zero.
Oh, that's it. Thanks, Zebedee.
That's just what we need.
Not a word, Scuttlebutt.
Me? I never gossip, never.
That'll be the day. If Captain Zero knows I helped statues, I'm lost. We're all squared then.
I want quick,
Yeah.
thanks.
Checking all the time that no one was watching him, Zebedee kept a lookout for coal for Johnny Cuba.
Cool. If I can just slip one badge away, that'll keep Johnny quiet. Captain Zero later.
That's all. I thought I was the only one stuck with coal deliveries today. I wonder what he's up to. I think I'd better check with Captain Star.
I thought you called Mr. Cuba.
Yeah, okay, Zebby. I'll put in a good word for you with Zero.
No, please don't do that, Mr. Cuba. I mean, these bad books as it is. I mean...
You mean he wouldn't like you helping me, eh? That it?
No, I don't mean that. No, he sent me out to, the wind's causing trouble, and,
You can go, mate. Long as you're back here tonight, okay? No worry.
Whatever you say. No worries.
Hey, Big Mac. I've just heard from Sally's seaplane. The Hercules has got the Princess Alice in tow.
Sounds serious.
Yeah, be damaged at sea.
Not another of your disasters, warrior.
Not me, honest.
I was joking. Come on, we'll tell old Jay, then go out and bring her in.
Yeah, anything to help the Princess Alice.
Out in the estuary, Zebedee was trying yet again to carry out Captain Zero's orders.
Help!
What the? Who's that?
Help! Out here!
Coast Guard.
It wasn't his lucky day. Zebedee had enough on his deck as it was, but he couldn't ignore someone in trouble.
Never thought I'd be glad to see you, Zebedee.
What? Oh dear, how was the Coast Guard getting this mess?
Peggy 18.
Good buddies.
Oh, not anymore.
You do know him.
ここからは任天堂スイッチのヘッドラインです。
ご覧ください。
For the first time in 10 years.
「本日の放送は以上です。ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。
You wait till Captain Zero hears about it. He won't like it, you know that.
I do. Some thanks I get for rescuing you.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be out there answering distress calls.
Sorry,
I'll tell you where you've been. You've been helping those star switchers, you creep. Ought to be a goody-goody star tug, would you? Hey, I haven't finished yet. Zebedee, come back here. Ah, the stars are docking Princess Alice. That should be worth watching in this wind.
Docking a liner can be a hazardous business for tugs, especially with cross currents and the danger of this high wind. Usually the liner can assist, but the Princess Alice couldn't do much due to the damage to her rudder. With all their expertise and experience, the Star Tug team were finding her very difficult to keep under their control.
What's happening back there? Come on, Stars! She's not responding, Hercules! The wind's too strong!
I can't hold her much longer!
Pull hard, everybody!
We need another tug. Just one more and do it.
Sorry, I can't help. I'm needed in case of fire.
Come on, lads. Hold it, Devil.
Oh, look out, I'm in trouble!
Come on, somebody.
We're losing it! We're crushed between ship and quayside!
This is too human. Switches.
Zebedee! Oh, thanks, just in time. You're a lifesaver!
Thank you, somebody. She's under control again.
Oh, hey, thanks, Zebedee.
Zero will have my boiler for this.
Aye, thank you, Zebedee.
Thank you, Zebedee.
Thanks, Zebedee.
Zebedee going soft in the head or something? Oh, the idiot.
Soren couldn't understand Zebedee. The Zeds were out to beat the Stars, not to help them beat the Zed stacks.
Hello, Mr. Cubas here.
Well, it's Zebby back again. Keep doing as Johnny Cuba tells you, and you'll come to no harm, you with me?
Yes, Mr. Cuba, the wind's
Right, there's a few other little things I want you to do for me before we go. Now listen, this is what
it's Hercules.
Hello, what's going on here? Oh, yes, Zebedee. And where are you taking our friend, the well-known Johnny Cuba, eh?
Well,
What's it to you, Star?
We know you, Johnny Cuba. Up to no good. We'll hand him over to the authorities, Zebedee. They may like to have a word with him.
No, you don't.
Oh, wait a minute.
The gangster tried to back out, but collided with Zebedee.
You will not go anywhere.
Just to make sure Zebedee rammed into Johnny Cuba.
Dino Solitan! Twisted man! Stack for this one. They can't hold Johnny Cuba!
The authorities did hold Johnny Cuba and gave official thanks to Zebedee and Hercules. As 10 Cents and Sunshine... Everyone must have a good streak in them somewhere. Even Zed stacks.